Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to drop or delete the table in MySQL. Okay, so let's get started. So in the MySQL workbench, first you will create the database. Once you create the database, you will create the table. Okay, suppose if you don't want this particular table and you want to remove or you want to delete this particular table from the database means for that, what you can do is like you can just use the query or the command query drop table space at the name of the table student underscore details. Okay, so end with semicolon, and here you can just select this query or the line. Now we can press Control Enter. Okay, so below here you can see drop table student details that has been successfully executed, and here you can see the zero rows are affected. That means like I haven't entered any details for that particular tables. Columns are already created, the rows are not created because I haven't entered any details related to like student age or student name or student class. Okay, so this is how you can drop or you can just remove the table from the MySQL database. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.